Hello y'all, Harley Badger back again. Got the Sears Vernco right here from the last video. Also, I got several messages from people who were concerned about where I had been, and well, let me just explain really quick. I don't have a good excuse, so to speak. It's been a combination of being busy with work and busy with other things, and not really feeling it a lot. So I've kind of just been working behind the scenes and letting Spats do all the content for a while. But, well, here we are. So I showed you this fan in the previous video, which is going to be in the description. You can see this demonstration. Still haven't cleaned it up yet. As you see here in the Sears catalog, 1969, 1970, the fans were avocado green with a light green grill, and I showed you this one, which is brown with a beige grill. But I really like the avocado green one as well. So, through the magic of Emerson Colley, there's the avocado one. So, thanks Emerson Colley. So, wanted to show you a quick demo. Later on, we're going to have them side by side when we're finished cleaning them and oiling them and servicing them and all that good stuff. So, without further ado, here is High. Now, as you can hear, the grill is a bit rattly. That'll be repaired. And as you can see, it has an extremely short spin down time. This motor is in desperate need of oil. But of course, we're going to oil them both, and you know, that's part of the restoration process. Here's medium. As you can see, it still struggles a little bit on medium as well. So, in the next video that we show, with these two running side by side, they will be fully restored and cleaned, and everything will be a-okay. But for the meantime, here's low. And then, of course, the spin down time from low is very short. So, here's the avocado green version. Thanks, Emerson Colley. This one is simply a 3-speed with a thermostat. And you're going to get to see all that in greater detail in the upcoming video. So, we'll be bringing you another video when these are done. For those who have asked, yes, we still do collect fans. And there have been many developments since the last video that was made about our fans. But, like I said, I've just been busy, and Spats has been busy doing other things, and so it's taken a little bit to get back into the groove. But here we are, and with updated audio equipment, thanks to our Patreon supporters. Send us a comment down below. Let us know what you think about these fans. Which one's your favorite? Do you like the brown and beige one, or like the avocado green? drop a comment down below and let us know. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. As you can see, we're nearing 10,000 subscribers, so just a little ways to go. Alright, this is Harley Badger, and until next time, take care.
Special shout out and thanks to Liz, our star patron.